Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the data and tools, get your documents in one folder and clean obvious noise. Then, create or access a vector database and provision API keys. This enables fast semantic search. Once done, select an LLM and configure token limits so you don't blow your budget. Now, write a tiny test prompt to verify connectivity. Make sure to note embedding model names and batch sizes. These choices affect both speed and cost, so be deliberate as you begin. You will chunk documents into consistent pieces, typically 500 to 1,000 tokens, because embeddings work best on focused context. Next, compute embeddings in batches to stay efficient and insert them with metadata into your vector database. This step makes content retrievable by meaning. Once vectors are stored, build a retrieval pipeline using KNN search and a lightweight re-ranker so answers are more precise. Finally, add a small cache for repeated queries to reduce latency and cost. You now assemble the chat, a front end for user input and conversation history, and a backend that retrieves top K documents, constructs a prompt, and calls the LLM. When composing the prompt, include citations and context windows to constrain the model. This reduces hallucinations. Once responses stream back, present them with source links. If things go wrong, check one key troubleshooting item. Verify embedding model mismatch and VectorDB schema. Most failures stem from inconsistent embedding dimensions or corrupted metadata, so confirm those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.